If you ever find yourself in the situation where you have suffered a burn, this video is for you. Now, always check with your practitioner, get the proper care for your burn, but there are some things that you can do naturally, which I have found very helpful for myself in this case of a second-degree burn that I got from very hot water. And if you know what this is in front of me, of course, aloe vera. Now, in this study, it has been indicated in patients treated with aloe vera gel, the healing of burn wounds were remarkably earlier than those patients treated with a 1% silver sulfadiazine. Now, all the patients in the aloe vera group were relieved of pain earlier than those patients who were treated with the SSD. So one of the things to do, of course, making sure that the burn is nice and clean, and then, of course, applying the pure aloe. So ideally, you're going to cut open your leaf of your aloe vera and take out the gel part, and that gel is what is very cooling, and that's what I found the best part of, suffering the burn, was that cooling effect of the aloe, and then wrap it lightly with some sterile gauze. And this is something that definitely you want to keep it clean and wrapped up, and then of course change the dressing accordingly, adding in that aloe vera each time you're applying this. And this is something that is remarkable. I'm so glad that there's research that shows how efficacious the aloe vera is. Of course, always checking with your practitioner depending on the degree stage of burn that you've suffered, but something that is remarkable. Okay, so I do want to talk a little bit more about aloe vera juice. This is something that I've got in another video for you, so please check it out, benefits of aloe vera juice. I'll see you there.